The Waring Commercial MX1300XTXP Blender is designed for those who need serious blending power, especially in commercial environments. Whether you're in a high-demand smoothie bar or a busy cafe, this blender promises performance that keeps up with your busiest days. With a 62/0 stainless steel container, a 48/0 BPA-free copolyester container, and a host of features designed to improve the user experience, it stands out in a crowded market of high-performance blenders. But is it really the right choice for your business? Let's find out. First, let's dive into the specs. The Waring Commercial MX1300XTXP Blender is equipped with a powerful 2.0 HP motor that can achieve up to 45,000 RPM in a burst of speed. That means it's not just built for blending smoothies, but also for crushing ice, pureeing, and making nut butter or soups without breaking a sweat. The blender also features 4 programmable beverage stations, which means you can set up specific blending times and speeds for different drinks. This feature is a game changer for busy establishments, as it allows for consistency and efficiency in drink preparation, even with multiple staff members. The blender also comes with both a 62/0 stainless steel container and a 48/0 copolyester container, both designed for durability and ease of use. The stainless steel container is ideal for high-volume environments, as it provides better heat resistance and durability, while the copolyester container is BPA-free and perfect for customers who are concerned about plastics. Both containers come with a blade assembly, lid, and jar pad, ensuring everything stays in place while blending. Now, let's talk about how this blender performs in real-world use. One of the standout features is the programmable LCD display, which is backlit for easy readability even in dim light. The easy-to-clean electronic membrane keypad means you don't have to worry about food getting stuck in the buttons, which is a common pain point with blenders in commercial kitchens. The pulse function, which has dual pulse settings, allows for precise control when you want to add a quick burst of power to break up stubborn ingredients or achieve a smoother consistency. When it comes to noise, this blender is surprisingly quiet, especially considering its power. The sound enclosure helps dampen the noise during operation, which is a big bonus in environments where noise levels can be a concern, such as cafes or health clubs. As far as performance goes, I tested this blender by making a variety of drinks, from smoothies with frozen fruit and protein powder to soups and crushed ice. The 45,000 RPM burst is no joke. It blended everything with ease, creating silky smooth results in no time. The stainless steel container worked well for soups and hot drinks, while the copolyester container was a bit lighter and easier to handle for smoothies. Both containers are durable and held up well through multiple uses. Now, what about the pros and cons? Let's break it down. One of the biggest advantages of the Waring Commercial MX1300XTXP Blender is its power. It can handle large quantities of drinks without slowing down or overheating, making it perfect for high-traffic locations. The 4 programmable stations and the easy-to-read LCD screen make it incredibly user-friendly, and the fact that it's designed for heavy-duty use means it should stand the test of time in a commercial kitchen. On the downside, the size and weight of this blender can be a bit much for smaller establishments. The 62/0 container in particular is hefty, and it might be difficult for smaller cafes or home users to justify the investment unless they need that kind of capacity. Also, while the sound enclosure is a nice touch, it's still not as quiet as some quieter models, especially when it's blending harder ingredients like ice. In terms of value for money, the Waring Commercial MX1300XTXP is priced higher than your average blender, but it's built for a specific type of user, high-volume commercial operations. When you compare it to other commercial-grade blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec, you're getting similar power and programmability, but the Waring model offers some unique features, like the sound enclosure and dual pulse functions, which can be worth the price for the right environment. When comparing the Waring MX1300XTXP to other commercial blenders, it's clear that it holds its own. The Blendtec Connoisseur 825, for example, is similarly priced, but doesn't come with the same noise reduction or sound enclosure. The Vitamix Quiet one is also in the same price range, but the Waring model gives you more control with its programmable stations and dual pulse functions, which might be more suited for busy bars or cafes looking for precision and efficiency in drink making. As for build quality, this blender is solid. It's built to withstand heavy use in a fast-paced environment. The stainless steel container is particularly durable, and the copolyester container offers a lighter alternative without sacrificing strength. The motor is powerful and designed to handle the heavy-duty blending tasks you'll throw at it. Given its commercial-grade design, I'd expect it to last a long time with proper maintenance, although some users have reported the motor occasionally overheating if pushed too hard for extended periods. Customer support is something worth mentioning here. While I didn't have to deal with any customer service interactions personally, Waring Commercial has a solid reputation for responsive and helpful customer service, especially when it comes to parts and warranty claims. They've been around for years in the commercial kitchen space, so you can rely on their support if something does go wrong. In terms of updates, there aren't any firmware updates to mention, as this blender operates with a basic electronic control system. No smart tech or Wi-Fi connectivity here, just solid, reliable performance where you need it most. So what's the final verdict? The Waring Commercial MX1300XTXP Blender is a powerful, durable, and user-friendly blender that's perfect for high-volume commercial use. Its ability to handle up to 75+ drinks per day, and its specialized features like the sound enclosure and dual pulse functions make it an ideal choice for businesses looking to improve their blending capabilities. While it's not the quietest blender on the market, and may be too large for some smaller kitchens, it offers great value for those who need consistent, high-quality performance. If you're looking for a blender that can handle heavy daily use, this one is worth considering. Before I wrap up, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinsidetv. If you've used the Waring Commercial MX1300XTXP Blender or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, blend responsibly and make sure your next smoothie is smooth as can be.